Hello, beautiful. This is going to be the most straightforward video that you have ever watched on how to go live on your YouTube channel. If you're just a bit sick of all this tech stuff and you're like, I just want someone to tell me how to do it in the most easiest and simplest way, keep watching because I'm going to cover everything that you beautiful need to know. We're going to go behind the scenes and I'm going to show you my setup, how I actually set up how to go live on YouTube. I'm going to go through all the equipment that you need, lighting, webcam, microphones, and I'm then going to show you my third-party app. Don't worry, it's not techie, it's so easy, it's literally a matter of pressing a button, okay? But I'm going to show you the third-party app that I use, and it's for free, how you can, again, do a live stream that just looks highly professional from the get-go. I'm really going to keep stressing how simple my setup is for my YouTube live stream. So this is the camera I've been using, hey, for my video that you're currently watching. This is how I live stream on YouTube. So let's start with the equipment. So I've just got my standard laptop here. First off, I've got my external HD webcam, okay? So this simply plugs in to my laptop there. And the reason I use an external webcam, and I highly suggest you get one as well, is because my webcam that's built into my Mac computer, it's really grainy, okay? So I just advise you get one of these. I think this one cost me about £70, but you can get cheaper models. Remember, make this affordable for you. The reason I got a little bit more expensive one is because I'm going to be doing live streams all the time. So you make the choice. You can get a cheaper one, or just upgrade to a more expensive one if you want. So number one, that is the webcam. Now you can do a live stream on that webcam and that is it. Or because remember, there's a built-in microphone to that as well. I like my sound to be a bit more crisper. So that is why I use this. This is the BLUESNOWBALL microphone. And again, this plugs in directly to my laptop. So these are the first two things you need to get a better image for your live stream. We've got the HD webcam, and then to get better sound, I've got my BLUESNOWBALL microphone also plugged in to my laptop, okay? Now, I'm actually looking to get a different microphone because I really want to have like a even more crisper sound. So I'm probably going to get a lapel mic, which will clip on to me here. Or I might just get like a kind of standard podcasting mic. But when I do that, I will make sure I make an updated video for you. Now, I just want to show... Oh, everything's falling down. I want to show you how I've actually set this up because people never really show you this sometimes. Again, I'm just doing a DIY thing here. So I sit here, excuse my mess. I've put my laptop on a chair. Remember, you want to make sure your webcam is coming to your eye level, yeah? You don't want to be like looking up or looking down. You don't want anyone looking up your nostrils, do you? So I've put this on a chair. Simple. I put my microphone on this kind of DIY thing here as well. A little footstool, a little cool little basket. Put my mic there. Again, I wanted the mic as close to my mouth as possible. Yeah, so I'm sat here, webcam, mic. Now let's zoom out a bit more. Then I've got my SOFTBOX light. Okay, this is my SOFTBOX light. One of them, you can probably get this on Amazon, I reckon, for about £20–30. Again, this is probably one of the cheaper ones. I've had this for years. No joke, about 10 years I've got it. So let's zoom out even more now, just so you can see everything. That is it. That is my setup to do a live stream. SOFTBOX light. Something else to mention, I've got the natural light from the window coming in because I really love that natural light. So I've got the natural light. I probably didn't necessarily need this, but to add a bit of light onto my side of my face, I've got the SOFTBOX light. Webcam, laptop, mic, all DIY style here. look, everywhere is messy over there. And that's it. I'm sat there, and to make the live stream, look, I've got my lipstick marks on that. Lovely. Oh, message for you today. Dream big, guys. To make the kind of setup of my live stream just look a bit better, shoved a plant in the corner there and shoved some more plants over here as well. That is it. That is the setup for my live stream on YouTube. Okay, so wasn't that cool? Wasn't that so simple and easy? I don't like some of these tutorials that make it so complicated, and it doesn't need to be. So you're set up for success now. You've got your equipment tick. You've seen how I've kind of arrange this little area that we're sat in right now to give us lighting, to give us good sound, to make it just look nice with these little plants everywhere. So top tip for you there, you know, move around your room a bit, get the lighting. You don't need to have a softbox light. You can use, like I'm doing, natural light from the window as well. So hopefully this is all coming together now, yeah? First step, done, congrats. Now, second step, I use a third-party software to broadcast on my YouTube channel, and it's called the Melon app. Now, the screen you're about to see is going to be a bit glitchy because I'm recording my screen at the same time of showing you this live stream thing. So just bear with the picture quality of this. But let's head over to my computer right now. Okay, so here we go. This is the Melon app. I will leave the link below, and maybe it should come up on the screen right now, the exact link that you need to click to get that free version of this. Now, this is so simple to use. First off, when you download Melon, if you come over here to your profile and then click on settings, the first thing that you do, really simple, connect your YouTube channel, okay? Connect your YouTube channel. So as you can see, mine is connected here. I can also, this is great, you can also go live on your Facebook page, on your LinkedIn, if you've got a Twitch, a Periscope, and you can connect a custom link, so you could potentially go live on your own website as well. So as you can see, I've just simply connected my YouTube channel. Now let's go back to the studio. So this bit here is called the studio, and I can edit this screen however I like, and I can change it as I'm also live. Again, I'm going to leave the link below for the exact video, so you can see me wearing the same dress and everything, how this screen looks on YouTube Live. So go and watch that video after you finish watching today's tutorial. So if I click on edit screen right now, this is where we can control this kind of control panel. So we can show our logo. The banner is that. So I've put my Instagram account at Veena is my therapist. Again, you can change that to whatever you want by clicking here. You can change the font, the background. This software is just so easy to use. You've got the ticker. This is my ticker. Again, I can change that with whatever I want, and there's loads of different kind of simple features here as well. If you've got the free version, I think you've got to have the logo of Melon on here. I've been kindly upgraded by Melon, and that's why I can kind of put my logo and some other stuff. But the free version, use it to get started, and then you can always upgrade as well. And when you actually go live on YouTube, all you got to do is press go live, and that's it. It will broadcast to your YouTube channel straight away. Also, let me just show you this. So if you press show chat, once we are live, so when I'm live on my YouTube channel, this screen that you're seeing right now, that is how I see your messages coming in, and that's how I can look at them and decide which ones I want to show on screen, answer your questions. So they will come up here on the stream chat. Again, if you want to edit what you're seeing at any time, you can click on edit screen. And this is what I do. I press schedule. So when you click on schedule, you can schedule a show. So there you go. That was the easiest and simplest way to go live on your YouTube channel. If you found that useful, and if it was easy, say in the comments, yay! And if you didn't find it easy and simple, just simply write no. Don't worry, I will not get offended. If you want to see all of this in action, come and join me every single Friday at 2 p.m. BST. I am here live on this channel for you. I cannot wait to meet you and talk more about YouTube, and I'm here to keep you motivated, okay? Nice to meet you. My name is Veena V. I'm a qualified hypnotherapist, and I'm here to help you to achieve unstoppable confidence in all areas of your life. Go and watch all those videos next. That video will help you get prepared for your first ever live stream. I cover a lot of presenting tips and a lot of stuff that will just make you feel more confident and more at ease when you go live for the first time on your channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you live here on Friday at 2 p.m. BST.